Howdy fellas. Today we are fishing at one of my favorite little spots. You know, it's a quantity over quality kind of place. Me and my buddy just went out this afternoon just, to catch a couple fish. Didn't do as well as we thought. The wind definitely pushed us around a lot. But, we ended up catching a couple fish and it was a good time, good learning experience. It was pretty early spring when we did this. And, yeah, just enjoy. Stupid. There we go. Hey there, buddy. Oh my God, he's a monster. First fish for old Leverett for today. There's a little goober there. Thanks, bud. Your fish freaking hammered it. He ate it on the pause too, so maybe going nice and slow. I'm gonna reel a little slower now, see if that'll get him. There we go. That one. He was up shallow. That one was up shallow. Perfect. Alright. 2 on the swimmer jig. There we go. Yeah, it's a little guy. Better than nothing. Got that first one probably in like 5 feet of water. Right on the pause. That one was probably 2 or 3. Straight retrieve. Couple pops. Always gotta give them the pops, man. They look a little action and they're like it. Hell yeah. Alright, Ryan's got one too. So yeah, we're inching closer to figuring them out. I had a feeling they'd be in this back corner here. I think it's just there's more spawning habitat back in this area, especially towards the other side. So I'm thinking, they're slowly making their way over as the water gets warmer. But that's just my theory. Hell yeah! Tied up now. Ooh, buddy. Including the pickerel? Well, we're tied up on bass. Another tiny one. He's got some battle scars there. See you, bud.
Have you got all of them on that?
I got those first ones on the swim jig. Switching it up now. Oh yeah. There we go, bud. Pickerel? Oh, hey, buddy. There you go. Makes it easy. Oh. You on there? I had one. Thought I am. I guess not. Oh, god damn. He didn't pop the hook out. hook's supposed to pop out when they bite on it. Hopefully he'll bite again. Oh yeah, he will. There we go. Damn, buddy. Had him. Had him. Lose him too? Dude, I just lost one as well, man.
No, that's the second one I missed in a row, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
They're all freaking tiny, that's why, dude. There we go. There we go. Just chiming in here quick. We didn't have too much luck for a good 45 minutes or so going around the pond here. So I hopped over to one of these little coves. It's probably, I'd say, 200-300 yards from here and started catching them again. There we go. There we go. There's another. Took a little while. Yeah, let that one on the fluke there. Just letting it sit pretty much. Not really doing too much. Just enjoying the weather out here. It's finally nice out. Little guy there. Just thinking I'd show the whole process here. I usually don't, just to save time with editing and everything, but this is how I usually fish the fluke. And yeah, usually less is more. Just kind of letting it sit there usually gets the bite. There's another. Bam, buddy. This cove here. Freaking going crazy. Hey. There we go. Nice little guy there. Got him on the fluke as well. Hey, they actually just stopped biting, so I would keep moving on and I'll meet you over there. Yeah. Well, they let me know they weren't biting anymore because I could just tell by how they were fighting. They were like, they knew something was up. Like, they're like, all right, there's somebody here, so we're moving on and we're just not going to bite. So there's really no point to fish here. I'm just like letting them know I'm still here so they can move on, you know? Because I don't really want to catch them anymore. But so you're just going to keep fishing here? Oh my God. Dude thinks he has that 2 or 3 pounder. Oh, nice one. Fucking pickerel master over here. Where are you going? Fucking prick. Shut your mouth. Shut up.